Huh?
Okay?
No.
What's wrong? You want to go to the hospital?
Hospital? Why?
I know people are calling saying you're acting strange. But
No. Don't touch my... No. Don't touch my camera. Don't touch my camera.
Get away from the camera. Get away from the
Oh, we got tyrants here, my peeps. Go ahead. Come on and talk to me. Go ahead.
Do you need to go to the hospital?
No, ma'am.
You don't need to go to the hospital?
No, I just have a camera. You think somebody with a camera deserves to go to the hospital?
No, I just have people say that you're harassing them.
I'm not harassing. The camera feels, yeah, I know that just like you feel, but we have the freedom to do this. And if you don't know, I'm gonna let you know, so come outside. They get shot because of you.
Don't go inside.
Get the fuck out of it. Get the fuck out of it. Oh,
okay, as stated before, it's private property. Out here is public.
What crime did I commit?
Let me explain to you if you let me talk. Out here, you can do whatever you want. You can record, you can do whatever you want. If you step foot in there, they said they're going to prosecute for trespass.
What crime did I commit to be kicked out, first of all?
I just...
Why is your camera not on? Turn your camera on. Turn your camera on. Turn your body cam on.
For what? For what? For what?
Because I said so. You have to. Your body cam on, please.
It's dead.
It's dead?
Yeah.
It's dead? That's what you're going to tell the people?
Look, it's dead.